Today, we're going in a bit of a different direction. Usually, I'm here speaking directly to godly men, sharing truths that sharpen our faith and deepen our walk. But today, I want to speak to fellow Christian content creators, those using media, platforms, and creativity to serve the kingdom. If you're making videos, podcasts, music, or even writing online, I believe these Bible verses can anchor your work and guide your voice. It has given me a great foundation for my videos. Always remember, God's Word isn't just for preaching, it's for creating with purpose, conviction, clarity, and most of all, integrity. And to help bring this message to life, I've asked my good brother Daniel to narrate these passages for us as we go through them all. Let's get into it.
Welcome back to Bible Truth for Men. If you're a Christian content creator, you know how important it is to create impactful and authentic content. But did you know the Bible actually has some incredible wisdom specifically for us? Today, we're diving into 5 powerful verses that will totally transform your creative journey. So let's go. First up, Proverbs 11:26 says, "The people curse him who holds back grain, but blessing is on the head of him who sells it." Now, in today's world, we can think of selling as serving. As Christian creators, when we offer our products, services, or even just our knowledge, we're providing value that can bless others. Don't be afraid to share your gifts. When you sell, you serve. Next is Proverbs 11:1, and it tells us, "A false balance is an abomination to the Lord, but a just weight is his delight." This is all about product excellence over hype. It means being honest and delivering high-quality content or products. Don't just rely on flashy marketing. Let the quality of your work speak for itself. God delights in integrity and truth. Moving on to Matthew 5:37. "Let what you say be simply yes or no. Anything more than this comes from evil." This one's super important for building trust. Keep your word. As creators, our reputation is everything. If you say you'll do something, do it. If you promise a certain kind of content, deliver it. Be reliable, and your audience will thank you for it. Our 4th verse is Proverbs 22:1. "A good name is to be chosen rather than great riches, and favor is better than silver or gold." This is all about building a strong brand and reputation. Your good name as a creator is invaluable. Focus on building a brand that reflects your Christian values, one that's known for its integrity, quality, and positive impact. And finally, Proverbs 11:3 states, "The integrity of the upright guides them, but the crookedness of the faithless destroys them." This is our ultimate reminder to be honest and have integrity in everything you do. From your collaborations to your content creation process, let integrity be your guide. It's the foundation for long-term success and truly honoring God in your work and everything we do. All right, everyone, there you have it. 5 very powerful Bible verses to inspire your Christian content creation journey. Which one of these verses resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more content like this, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Until next time, keep creating for His glory. God bless you all.